what we do is that we just run our model. Okay, so for that, go to analyze and click on first check model, and select all these options over here. We are checking for everything, cell overlaps, and click on OK. So model has been checked, no warning messages were generated, so we are fine with our model. After that, go to analyze and click on run analysis. So let's save it, ETABS structure, right? Okay, so you can see the deformed shape of the building in this window over here, right? So if you want to see the deformed shape here as well, just click on this window and go to display and click on deformed shape, and for which load combination you want. So I want to for load combination 2 and click on OK. So earlier we had done mesh of this slab into a 10 by 10 elements. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 elements in the x direction, that is in the 2 direction, and also in the 3 direction 10 elements have been created. Okay, so this is what meshing is. All right, so if you click on this window, a 3D view, and click on start animation, so it will animate. Okay, you can see the supports are fixed over here. All right, let's stop the animation.